Umesh from India. Umesh, how many years experience as well? 20 years experience, guys. 20 years experience. Yan. Ito naman yung ibang ladder natin. Yan. Ito yung ganap natin ngayon. Yan. Yan. Puro ladder yung binabanata namin kasi patapos na yung tangke namin. Ayan yung tangke namin. Oh. So, ganito lang kasimple ang trabaho dito. Yan, look at guys. Yan ang mga ganap ngayon dito. Yan. From India also, my friend.
Yeah.
How many years experience, my friend?
15 years.
15 years experience. Also, TIG welding, you understand? Oh, general welder, this guy. Very nice. So, look at guys. Used to mili, huh? How many amperes supplied? Power?
Power 90.
290. 290?
No, only 90.
90. Okay. 90 amperage supplied to mm electrode. Very nice. The golden hand. Okay. Look at the result, guys.
Like
Very nice. Yes. Okay. Oh, look. Number 1 Ditandra. Guys, from Nepal, si Ditandra. Nepal yan, guys. Very nice.
video.